In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who has access to your files in OneDrive. We all know how important it is to keep our digital space secure and organized, especially when it comes to file sharing. So, let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly who can access your documents, pictures, and other files stored in OneDrive. First, we're going to start off by navigating to the Microsoft account page. This page is essentially your gateway to a plethora of Microsoft services, including OneDrive. To get there, you can simply type in the Microsoft account URL into your web browser and hit enter. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, if you haven't already logged in, now's the time to do so. Be sure to use the credentials tied to your OneDrive account. This ensures you're accessing the correct files and settings. Now that you're logged into your Microsoft account, direct your attention to the upper left corner. Here, you'll find a small grid of dots known as the App Launcher icon. It can be easy to overlook, but this tiny grid is crucial. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu with all your available apps. From this menu, go ahead and select OneDrive. If you're a frequent OneDrive user, it might appear right at the top of the list. After you enter OneDrive, shift your focus to the top navigation bar. You're looking for the shared icon. Clicking on this will reveal more options. You're interested in the one labeled By You. By selecting this option, you're filtering out all the files you've shared with others as opposed to those shared with you. With that filter applied, you'll now see a list of files and folders that you've shared with others. Choose one by clicking on it. If it's a folder, remember you'll be checking access to all the files it contains. Once you've selected your file or folder, look for the Manage Access option. This can typically be found on the menu bar or as part of a drop-down under the Files options. Clicking Manage Access will unveil a detailed list of people who currently have access to your file. Alternatively, if you're interested in specific files, click on My Files in the left-hand navigation pane. In this view, there's a sharing column to watch out for. Each file in this column labeled as shared indicates it's been shared with others. Clicking on one of these shared files provides a similar Manage Access or Shared tab. By following any of these paths, you can easily see who has the ability to view or edit your files. Of course, you can adjust these settings as needed to keep your files secure or facilitate collaboration. And there you have it. That's how you can manage and check access to your OneDrive files. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!